Ito naman, we have here our kamote.
Mo, kala mo.
Sabi ko nga traditionally,
mo, yun
ang slices noon would be wedges or french fry. Pero para mas mabilis ang cooking time, kailangan ito, thin slices lang. There you go. You just have to wait for it to turn. Ang sweet potato, ito kayo na part doon na medyo nag-discolor na, tapos bulok na. Hindi na siya pwedeng i-cut or slice off and then use the rest of the sweet potato. Kasi yung pagkasira nun totally affects everything, the whole flavor. So yeah, once it goes bad, wala na, you have to discard it. Sayang. Pero pwede na yung ating sweet potato, mabilis na siyang lutuin. Can you get it from here? So while you're doing that, I'll just make the sauce. We have here our tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. Let's just mix this together. Aba, yan na. Luto na siya.
Nga!
You have all of it there.
Emi, lapit mo yung cortina.
It's a big serving already. Pwede tayo mag-share dyan. Yung ma! Pwede na talaga.
Dapat mo yung cortina.
Wala siya. Of course. Can you mix this for me while I season
Hello!
sweet potato chips with salt and pepper
Lagot ka! Ikaw kumuha.
and
May
some
cortina.
nutmeg, ground nutmeg. Yeah, this is it.
Lagot ka!
Yeah, that was for the films.
Hello! No!
Okay ba? How is it?
No!
Lalapit eh.
Okay, let's just slice this and place it. So naturally, you get the smaller piece, right? Yeah, I can just taste it. Kahit na, sure. Of course. I'm here to feed you. Okay, so then you can some of the sauce here. There. This one. And let's just add some greens. Green onions and scallions. Yeah.
Tayo hindi tayo magkamukha ni Born eh.
That easy, that fast.
Ano si nanay yung pisngi.
My flip over fish and chips.
Kaya palang kamukha. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung album ni Kuya Paul.
Yun na?